Good morning, guys! It's another day. It's another day off. It's Monday. Kaya, alam niyo na, daddy's duty tayo. Kitain natin yung mga babies. Habang bakasyon sila, masyal muna kami. Kasi Monday ngayon. Hati sila ng mami nila sa SM para makasama natin yung mga kiddos. Tingnan natin kung ano magagawa natin. Ano pa yung pwedeng magawa habang nagbabakasyon sila. Yun kahit wala tayong budget ngayon, i-enjoy lang natin kung anong meron. Ganun talaga kailangan hindi po financial or hindi po financial o kung ano man, kailangan emotionally and physically nandun tayo para sa mga chikiting. Kaya yun, kita-kits later. Okay, 8 AM na, alis na tayo. Ano natin sila. Sige, see you later. Bakit ko ikikip yan? Guys, ito yung anak ko makulit, guys. Ito, si Kurt. Ayan yung maganda, si Kayla. Kayla, say hi! Natin sila ng mami nila, ayan. Go, Kurt! Bakit? Ayaw magbitbit? Ha? Ay, okay ka. Yeah. Bitbitin mo yan. O, saan kakain? Saan kakain?
Jollibee.
Jollibee? Kulit. Ano?
They break it again?
No? Ba't pawis ka na naman?
Hindi kami nakapag-park sa loob.
Saan? Sa labas kayo?
Ngay.
Oo. Nakita ko yung phone.
Okay.
Ba't ang tsura mo?
Ha?
Pawis ka?
Yeah.
Kuya.
Huh? Yeah.
Saan mo gusto kumain?
Jollibee.
Jollibee? Uy!
What?
Ang ganito. Ayaw mo ba ako kausap?
What? Stop.
Gaano katapang yung anak kong lalaki? Sige. Tama kay mami. Bilisan mo. Tama ka muna. Sige na. Sumama ka na. Hamawa ka. Kunin yung phone mo. Sige na. Ikaw naman. Napaka-ano. Sige stay there Are you scared?
No.
Talaga?
No.
Hila?
So happy and done na.
Happy and done na. Huwag kayong kukuha ng mga paborito sa mga anak nyo. Dapat fair kayo lagi. Kita nyo yung mami nila saka si ako. Dapat laging fair. Kaya anak, tandaan mo wala kami kinakampihan. Kung sino yung mali, yun.
Daddy's girl and daddy.
Daddy's girl ba yan?
You promised the rollerblade!
Ayan.
You promised the rollerblade! Ito na ba?
Hindi pa. Wala.
Kuya still promised the rollerblade and he haven't done.
Anong rollerblade ba yan?
Rollerblade kasi daddy haven't. She wants me to move wherever.
Bibili ka?
No.
Ano?
We're not gonna believe him. Mommy's only gonna really if he knows how to do it.
Oh.
Just like me, I had to do the test.
Jollibee. Kayla, say hi. Kurt, ano na?
Huh? What?
In-order mo?
Samyami sa'yo.
Yum. Okay. Dumating na yung order. Kunin mo na, kuya. Go! Wow, 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 wow. Punta ka doon. Ito yung number mo. Sige, makakuha niya yun.
What?
Makakuha niya yan. Ano yan?
How to put it back? Ah, I like that lobby. So much trouble there.
Oy, good job!
My ice cream na gone.
Oo nga, ba't may ice cream?
Sa akin.
Okay, mami mo pala yun.
Sa akin ba?
Asan yung kikila? Chicken. Kuya, hingi kami ketchup. Ketchup, sabi mo, para sa cham. Go. Sige na. Yan. Pagbalik ni ketchup, utusan ulit na din. Ha? Ano na? Hindi yata. Kayla. Wala tayong drinks?
Ito ako kaya mo na.
Ayoko. Big na lang. Ano yan? Ano?
Wag
You
ka
want
na.
that?
Shh, shh.
Bakit?
Wag ka na, Daddy. Wag ka na. Wag ka na. Wag na, Daddy. Wag na.
Bakit? You want that?
Wag na. Wag na.
Kayla, are you sure you want that? Kayla, listen. Kayla, ikaw ba talaga may gusto niya na si Kuya? Oh, Kuya, kita mo? Oh. Ay. Kita mo? Pinapabili mo para magbayad. Sige.
No, Daddy, I will share mine. I will share.
A share? Oh, kita mo? Style mo. Wag mo ano yun yung kapatid mo. Binubudol mo pa. Hey, budol.
Brother will not gonna pay for it.
Budol, di ka babaya.
You will get that. You have to pay for it.
Hindi ka babayaran yan, Kayla.
Yes, why you give me
Your problem. I didn't buy it.
Kuya will not pay for that.
Wait, I'm gonna check. Let me check what's first. Let me check the figurine.
Naka same lang yan. It's same.
No!
Do some X-ray.
It's different. You see? Yours is like this one was mine is like that. It's different.
No.
It's different!
No.
How do you want me to
It's the same.
No,
Use this now. Come on. I don't have a sister.
Oh, ba't pinumudol mo kasi yung kapatid mo?
Gusto ko.
Tapos kukunin mo. Ha?
I will give her mine if I don't get what I want. I please.
Ano?
Let her like it.
Let her like it. Ewan ko sa'yo. Budol. Ay, nako.
Please don't be let her like it. Oh,
Eh, hindi na pwede. Ina lang. Ayan. How much that?
no thanks.
No thanks.
Sabad na ko mag-build.
Ay, yun lang. Ba't ba amaze na amaze ka kahit marker lang gusto mo lang gumastos, no?
The sticker on it.
Kuya's calling me a bastard.
True.
What?
Not. Let's Daddy, there's a slime maker. Slime maker. You see?
Mm.
Slime maker.
Mhm.
Let's go.
You want that? Don't buy that. Kuya wants to boodle you. Boodle man! Boodle man! Boodle kid.
What's a boodle?
Ayoko na. To change it. I was right.
Ano?
Dito pang stubber. Bakit ka? Bakit ka naman?
Baya ka muna. Crying baby. Ah! Sayang ang bili. Yeah. Di ba mabuksan? Wow! Talaga ba? Mag-crochet ka? Stop crochet! You like it? You can do that?
I don't know.
Ah! Try it. Yes! Ayan na nga. Ayan na nga si Kurt. Kakain na naman.
Ikaw yung gusto eh.
O sige. Ikaw ba kailan kakain?
Ano sa'yo? Luto ka na lang.
Hindi na lang? Sige.
Ano sa'yo?
Ano na lang kaya?
Wala dyan yung phone mo. Tingnan mo.
Yung ano na lang, yung torikatsu. Yung ano lang, yung one piece lang. Ha?
Ayan ang sorry tayo.
Saan? Pork chop? Tonkatsu yun. Hindi, ano na lang ako. Yun na lang. Beef na lang. Kahit ito, sabi ni Kurt, recommended. Ano yan? Beef.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside. Ayan na. Alright.
Matagal ako yung next time. 2021.
Oh. Ano yan? Mga
Guess what there?
bread talk. Sa kabila ata.
You unbox. Remember?
Unbox na? We have to video it. I'm videoing.
I'm to unbox.
Sana, ano makuha mo sana? Tugo mo.
This one or this I got my favorite mommy one.
Huh? Yeah.
Yan.
Oh.
Oh.
It's Mommy's favorite.
Kay mami. Mali.
Okay, that's my favorite. Let's unbox it.
Hindi ka kasi namili. Hindi ka, di ba?
I think mine was alright.
We need to clean up forever. One of us is buy one.
It has tape.
What are we getting? No, we're gonna get it on a table. Ano sa'yo? Ito?
Oh, yan daw. Ito, kailangan yung card.
It's nice.
It's nice.
Dapat pala, Daddy, dapat pala, before we buy,
But before I
Oh.
open
when we
better.
open it na kasi pang Daddy.
Hindi pwede yun. May kita.
But before it was more better. To be honest.
Is that Evie?
It's the green one that is one. That's mommy's favorite. I look like mommy.
It's okay.
Next time I will bring my own mommy. Para din niya ako maupo. But you want to put it in so you not know how you like it.
Hindi mo yung pala makikita talaga.
Daddy, I have high hopes for this one. I have high hopes for this one. Cheese and then normal and then
What's the flavor?
we have cheese and that's all. Oh, yummy that it's very recommended.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Smells good.
When I found out
I'm
breakfast
gonna
contained
wait for it to die. Not in my Oh my god, look, there's a raccoon. Look, there's a raccoon. Look. Kuya, there was a raccoon. You see a raccoon? The raccoon is collapsed.
Okay, uwi na.
It's my dog.
Yes, kuya. Bye-bye, kuya.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby
Love you
girl.
so much.
Where's my kiss?
Mwah.
Terminal? Asa sakto. Let's go! And yo! Natapos na isang araw sa shooting. Kasama yung family nila. At okay naman, nag-enjoy naman yung mga kiddos. Kaya, sure. Bye-bye!